to teach you how to earn online in 8 simple steps with a makeup beauty store. Step 1, get yourself a free Amazon affiliate account, and I will share with you how to earn. 2, choose from my keyword-rich domain names. You can add your own domain name, or you can pick your own domain name with your brand or your name. As an example, roberts.domain name, jessica.domain name, yourbrand.domain name. Step 3, bring in high traffic videos from YouTube. I've done all the heavy lifting for you. I've made it very simple. You bring in high traffic videos to your website simply by putting in keywords. You put keywords here, and then every time you click this blue button, it will bring in that high value video from YouTube. In fact, it will do it automatically for you every 8 hours, 3 times a day. So if I click right here, this is going to take me to the actual video that I can post on my social media. I made things simple and enjoyable for you, one step at a time. Step 4, I do the same method, bringing in high best-selling products from Amazon. Using the same technique, I bring in high traffic best-selling products from Amazon, makeup products, again based on keywords. All I have to do is click this blue button. But once you have your site set up, it will bring in new products from Amazon 3 times a day as you sleep. And this is what the products look like on your website, going directly to Amazon, description, price, everything's done for you. It's really that simple. It could not be simpler. Step 5, launch social media pages. As an example, if you're going to have a makeup beauty website, then launch a makeup beauty Facebook page, a makeup beauty Instagram page, and a Twitter page, and a Pinterest page. That's working smart, my friends. Don't put everything in your profile page on Facebook. That's a recipe for disaster. So here's a little working smart technique that will get you tons of traffic on social media. When bringing in videos based on keyword, use the word best, top. As an example, the top 5 makeup reviews, the top 5 makeup products for 2020, et cetera, et cetera. That's working smart. So if I now want to put this on my social media, here's how simple it is to do. So I suggest you put this on a makeup page, not your profile page. More importantly, when somebody wants to watch this video from your social media page, where does it go? It doesn't go to YouTube. It takes you right back to your website, and that's working smart. Now, a little tip here, I would put some engaging question. Have you tried these beauty tips before? Do you have your own beauty tip to share? That's working smart 101. One of the greatest advantages, step 7, you'll earn 20% commission for referring my turnkey products from your website. Let me share with you how simple this is to do. So you'll notice on my website, there's a banner ad typically to the right and typically at the bottom. And basically, here's how you can earn a commission. So if you think about this, you're earning without selling because somebody wants what you have. It's something called FOMA. If they see that you have skin in the game and you have these different websites, they're probably going to want to get what you have. It's much easier to offer a service or a product when you own the product yourself. So when somebody clicks on this and they go to my site, over the next 90 days, it's tracked with your cookies. You can have a full back-end admin to track your sales and referrals, and you'll be paid 20% on all sales lifetime. Step 8, track your conversions and track the traffic to your website through Google Analytics. I have a full back-end video training program in the back-end of your WordPress site that will help you every step of the way. So the bottom line is this. I have an amazing offer for you. My turnkey websites go for $299 per year. If you click this banner ad, you sign up today, you will get $100 off, which means you'll get my complete turnkey system for $199, but not just for 1 year, but the next 5 years, next 60 months. If you divide that amount, $199 divided by 60, it's like $3.30 a month. This also makes a great gift. So go check out my website, watch more videos. I'm here to help you every step of the way for selfish reasons, because if you're making money, I'm making money. I've been in the trenches since '95. I think I know what I'm doing. Talk to you soon. Take advantage of this opportunity to earn during the holidays and beyond. And also, it makes a great gift. Talk to you soon. Thanks for being here.